the Meghalaya Day Run in celebration of the 51st anniversary of statehood. As competitions would have it, many participants crossed the finishing line while some outshone the others. To give away the awards, may I now request the Honorable Governor to kindly do the honors, and I also request the Chief Secretary also to come up on stage for the award ceremony. The competition were held in two categories, the 5K open category. In the 14 years to 18 years category, the winners are, in third place we have Saralyn L. Nonglad. May we have Saralyn on stage, please. The award carries a certificate and a cash prize of Rs 1,000. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Miss Saralyn L. Nonglad. In second place, we have Barihon Karajana. Her award carries a certificate and a medal, a certificate, and a cash award of Rs 2,000. Keep the applause going, as in first place we have Linthi Jinkerman Karjarin. She takes home with her a trophy, a certificate, and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. In the 5K open category, between 14 to 18 years male, the winners are, in third place, Nevison Jerwa. In second place, we have Ibor Kendat. In second place, we have Ibor Kendat. And in first place, we have Finnington Ramsey. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud round of applause for all the winners, please? In the 10K open category, above 18 years female, in third place we have Balarisha Tirnyang. She takes with her a certificate, trophy, and a cash award of Rs 3,000. In second place, we have Marquines Ramsey. and she wins a trophy and a cash award of rupees 5,000. In first place, we have Kintimon Marwin, and she takes with her again a trophy and a cash award of rupees 8,000. We now move on to the 18K Open category, above 18 years male. In third place, we have Daniel Walang. Daniel takes with him a trophy, a certificate, and a cash prize of rupees 3,000. In second place, we have Saroj Marngat. She takes with her a cash prize of rupees 5,000, a trophy, and a certificate. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Saroj Marngar. And in first place, we have Wolbester Ramsey. These are the winners of the 10K Open category, above 18 years male. Wolbester Ramsey takes with him a cash award of rupees 8,000, a trophy, and a certificate. Congratulations to all the winners.